This baked beans is delicious on its own, good for salads, could be served with rice, and guys, even for breakfast with your sausage, your scrambled eggs, and your toast bread, guys. It's so delicious. Let's get started. So this is the navy beans that I'm using, and I soaked it overnight. Make sure you soaked it overnight before using it. Add it to your saucepan, add in water, and cook it for about 20 minutes. So it was almost 20 minutes, and I decided to check if it's cooked, if it has cooked, or if it has softened to move to the next step. But it was still hard, so I stir it, cover it, and let it cook again for another 10 minutes. So at this point, the beans has cooked. It's very easy to smash it, and guys, as you can see, it has cooked. Take it from the fire and drain the water. In a saucepan, add in vegetable seasoning, ginger, garlic, onion paste, brown sugar, tomato paste, ketchup, 1 Maggi cube, white vinegar, chili powder or smoked paprika, salt, and give it a stir. Stir it to make sure everything has come together, and add in your beans. So basically, this is it. This is all you needed. This is what you need, the most important ingredient. So you're gonna stir it and cover it and let it boil again. After some minutes, check and give it a stir again. So at this point, you want to lower the gas and let it cook slowly, because the beans is already cooked, and you do not want to overcook it. As you can see, the liquid is getting drained, like it's thickening up. So just leave it on the fire and let it cook slowly. So guys, basically this is it. It's very easy doing it. To thicken up a bit the sauce, add in a teaspoon of cornstarch and a tablespoon of water. Stir it and add it to it. You do not want to over thicken it, so just small amount of cornstarch will help thicken it a bit. And that's it, guys. It's very easy, it's simple, and it's so delicious, guys. Give this a try and you will love it. It's very simple and easy making this. I hope you give this a try, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you help this channel to grow up by giving this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, stay blessed. Bye.